Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Talecia Style here. Now today I have a video talking about hair. Everybody's always asking me about my hair, where I get it, where I buy it, blah 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 blah. So this is not to talk about this hair, but it's to talk about hair that I just recently got, which I'm really excited about. Can you guys see that? It's from Aliexpress. It is a lace frontal bob wig. I already have a bob wig that I made before, but this is actually a bob wig itself. It's a lace frontal wig that they've already made. I'm pretty excited about it. A little bit nervous because I usually make my wigs myself, so it's my first time in a really long time wearing a wig that is already made, especially it being a frontal. I'm kind of nervous about it, but let's see how it goes. This is the initial opening of it. Well, technically no, because when it came I opened it right away, but it's just for you guys to see, and it's really affordable too, which I like. So a lot of people always ask me about that, so let's definitely get into that. So I got this hair. I ordered it on the Monday, and then I got it on, I want to say, the Thursday. It usually takes about like 3 days. That's 3-4 days, depends on where you live, but in Toronto it took about 4 days to get here. It came in the DHL package. It came straight to my door. I live in an apartment, so it came right to my door, which I really like. It's my second or third time ordering from Aliexpress. I usually get my hair from this hair company or Ali Annabelle. They're usually, I don't buy my hair on Instagram hair companies. I'm sorry, really expensive, and who wants to spend like $100 on one bundle? No, not me. I'm sorry. I'm saving, I'm budgeting, I'm doing a whole bunch of stuff. So, and I'm investing in this whole YouTube life. Equipment ain't cheap, girl. It ain't cheap. So for me to be spending $400 or $500 on hair is unrealistic right now in my situation, and for a lot of you guys out there. So this is why I bought this wig, because I know you guys want to look like, you know, you want to look cute, you want to look hot this summer. Not only summer too, because you can wear this in the winter, fall, whenever. So I bought this wig out of curiosity, because I'm like, oh, it's only, I think it was under $70. And I was like, whoa, okay, let me see how this looks. But it's the Aliexpress short blood cut bob wig for black women. That's too funny. It comes in 1B. It was $68.41 Canadian. So if that's Canadian, you can only imagine American. It's probably about like $50 or so, $55 or something like that when you work out the numbers. So it's gonna be cheaper for my American viewers, and I can only imagine my UK viewers, it probably costs like $30-40. That's crazy. I got the 8-inch one. This is how it came in the package in a box, which is really cute. I like this. It gives you the description at the side. I got lashes, which I'm really excited to actually wear. These are so cute. I'm excited for them. I don't know about anybody else. This is how it comes. This is how it looks. Okay. This is how it looks on the inside. It comes with a comb at the back, and the little clips, little drawstring clips here. Let me see. And then the lace is from ear to ear, and then there's 3 clips here. 1, 2, 3. It comes in 8, 10, 12, and 14 inch, but I really wanted that super short chic look, and I was gonna cut my old wig, but I'm like, but I kind of like that length, because I'm telling you, an inch or 2 makes such a big difference. It gives you a different look, it gives you a different vibe. So I'm definitely have to bleach the knots underneath here, but I like it because I can wear it in the middle, or I can part it down this side and wear it off to the side, which I think I'm gonna do. But for the most part, here is the wig. 60 something dollars, $68. Not bad at all. It's Brazilian hair. Doesn't seem too bad. Doesn't seem like it's shedding too much. So I'm going to go and play around with this, and I'll be back.
2 weeks later.
A week or 2 since I've had this hair. I've worn it like maybe 2 or 3 times. So this is like I guess you can say like the final review. I showed you guys how it looked when I just got it. This is what it is now. This is my, I don't even know, like my 5th time wearing it, because I try not to wear wigs too much. But yeah, I think it's a good buy. Under $70 Canadian, and that is like such a good steal for us Canadians, because hair for us is super expensive. Like, we pay so much for hair over in Toronto, so when I see deals like this, I definitely like to share it with everybody. That's why I did this review, because it's a budget friendly wig and it's a real hair. It's Brazilian hair. Like, look at this. This is like, it moves, it's not stiff. This is like gorgeous. I love it. It's simple. It's summertime right now in Toronto, so it is hot. I don't want anything on my back as much, so this wig is perfect. It did come in a middle part but I made a side part myself. Like, I plucked it myself. Even the middle part wasn't that like defined. You still would have to pluck it as well, but with this, I quickly just plucked it on the side here, and then I glued it down with the Got To Be. For the most part, it's well worth the $68 that I spent on it, and I can only imagine how much cheaper it would be in American. So this is the Aliexpress bob wig. This is the 8-inch. This is the shortest one. I actually thought it was going to be a little bit shorter. I think I may take this, maybe not right now, maybe in the winter. I'll probably put it into the middle and then get someone to cut it, or maybe I'll cut it myself. Who knows? Maybe that would be another video. If you guys want to see that, comment down below and I'll make another video. I'm going to insert pictures of when I went to a wedding the other day with this, and then I went out to go and eat, and everybody loved it. I love it too. It's nice and simple and it's not on my back. It's great. It's great for the summer. I love it. So yeah, I'm gonna leave the link below for this wig, and I bought this with my own money. This is not a paid sponsorship or anything like that. I actually bought this because this is what I was looking for. I was looking for a bob wig. The link below so that you can get it. Now comment below if you like this wig, if you want to see me cut it even shorter, because you know that like cute light style. Oh, I love that style. For the most part, I trust Aliexpress, and I trust Annabelle, and there's a few other ones I've ordered from, but for the most part, I really I like this one. I like the company and I can trust them. The hair doesn't shed, unless like when you cut the lace, that's when it sheds, and you have to like pluck it. But besides that, it's a brand that I trust. So yeah, that's my review. Definitely remember to like this video and subscribe for more videos on fashion tips, style, how to style videos, reviews and things like that. So definitely, if you liked this review, definitely give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.